Hello all, welcome back to our channel. So students, in this video we will discuss B-Law paper presentation. As many of you were requesting for the paper presentation video, so in this video I will tell certain tips and tricks where you can score O grade in this subject also. But you people are thinking that it is a difficult subject, hard subject, but it's not at all a difficult subject. How you are presenting your paper is also important. How much you have learned, how much efforts you are keeping in learning, that much efforts you should keep for the paper presentation also, especially in theoretical subjects. So time will be easy, so time will be less, answers writing will be more, so you should manage. Time management is very much important, okay. So in part A, see, after before arriving into the classroom, you should write B-Law question paper, B-Law answer paper only with black pen. You can use blue pen also, but better, as I have already said, as it is you are having a digital correction, use first black pen only. For side heading as well as anything, use black pen. And handwriting should be neat, it should be an understandable manner, okay. So I have got to know that one student is there, so he is perfect in answer writing, he is perfect in the topic, but his handwriting will be like this. But it's not at all your handwriting should not that much neat, but it should be in an understandable way. Got it? So that is very much important. And while you are attempting here in this thing, you will have part A and part B. If you are attempting part A, see, if they have asked in part A 5 questions, you need to attempt. After attempting 5 questions only, you start part B. Got it? Some of the students, what they will do means, in part B they will attempt one question, after that they will jump into part A, and after that they will come back to part B. Like that, ulta pulta they will write, okay. So like that you should not write. If you are starting one section, one part, means you should be complete, you should complete this part, and after completing this part only you should go with the part A. So this is very much important, and this is the main tip I can say it that. And whatever I have performed in my graduation is, the first answer should be, as it is you are having a single rule paper, okay. So as you are having a single rule paper, see, like this you will have your booklet. Like that you will have, no. So here in edges the line will not get properly, so the line will not it will not be proper. So after arriving before 5 to 10 minutes of the examination, you take a scale and draw a line here, only here. Some of the students like this also they will draw. No, you should not draw like that, because here you are wasting half of this space, here you are wasting half of this space. So just you draw a line here, and after that, if you are attempting part B, so my suggestion would be attempt part B first. So because part B consisting of 60 marks, after writing here part B, you keep one line here, and after here you give one place, okay. ఇక్కడ ఒక లైన్ డ్రా చేసుకోండి. ఇక్కడ వాట్ ఎవర్ ద లైన్ you are drawing, this is the outer line. See, I will draw again. So this is your booklet, like that your booklet will be, no, whole booklet, okay. So this is your booklet. So here you are writing part B, here you should draw one small line, here you need to write the question number. So question number is 9th one. In 9th one, A or B you will attempt. A question you are attempting. In A question you will have subheading 1. Here you should write first one. If here they are asking contract, see, keep the heading contract and write the answer here, from here, okay. Like that you need to present your answers, very much important. And second tip what I can say is, use only black pen. Okay, and the third one what I will tell is, you start part B. In part B, whatever the question you are perfect, that question you need to start, and first 3 pages you should write the answers neatly without any strike. For example, you have here you have wrong right you have wrote something mistake. Some students they will do like this. You should not do like that. Instead of that, you keep a bracket like this and make a into mark upwards like this. Got it? You should not strike like that. It will become very messy, and whatever the thing, if they while seeing that page, the paper evaluator will get some irritation. So negative impression they will get by seeing your paper. So this type of mistakes you should not do. And after completing part B, so part B, each answer you take minimum 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so after 2 hours you take for part B completion. After 2 hours, 1 hour you keep for part A. In part A, whatever the question it might be, you need to answer it. One side of the page is must and should, and part B answers front, back, and again front. 3 sides of the page is must and should. Okay, and case studies also, how you need to write the case studies also, I have done a video. You please watch that video for the case studies. Okay, and in part B, while writing answers, try to draw the flow charts. What is the flow charts? Again, what you, for example, here in contract answer, you will learn the features of valid features of contract. See here like that, you draw line, here you draw circle, in that circle you write contract. Here you will have certain points, no, in contract answer. So that contract points, for example here, offer and acceptance, lawful object, lawful consideration, written and writing, whatever the side headings you have learned, that you represent in a flow chart or a circle or any type of diagrams. Diagrammatic representation is very much important, and if you are representing the features in a diagrammatic representation, the place will get occupied. The answers should be written in a small way. If you are not getting the answers, try to draw this type of diagrams. So answer will be lengthy, answer will get elaborated, and you will get full marks and nice impression. Got it? And try to draw the diagrams. What diagrams? In IPR, trademark you will have, no? Trademark is nothing but certain logo you will have. See, for example, here it is the Amazon logo. Got it? Here you write Amazon. In exam, you need to draw like that. And Nike you will have, no? Nike, I think it's like, this is Nike. So like this, answer related diagrams is must and should. Okay, Apple iPhone trademark is nothing but giving a specified logo to a particular company. Every company has will have its particular logo. Our channel will have particular logo like that. That is the trademark. So answer related diagrammatic representation is very much important. So this is the tips, and try to draw the diagrams and try to write the extra questions, ma. Extra questions writing is very much important, because whether answer should be written in a own way. This is not at all necessary that you need to remember the material stuff, you need to remember the textbook stuff. No one in the world will not remember everything whatever you are having in the material. You need to write the answers by your own related to the topic. That's it. Attempt 5 long questions, attempt 5 short questions. Whether you know or don't know, definitely you will pass in BLaw subject. I will give the assurance, I will give the guarantee to you all. Attempt 5 long, attempt 5 short, that will be more than enough. Got it? So this is all about the video, students. I hope that you have got clarity about the paper presentation. I hope this video will be useful. And one more thing I want to tell you all this, because our channel is watching everybody, but there are some many 80% of the viewers are not subscribing to our channel. If you think that our channel is worthy, our video is worthy, then do subscribe to our channel, because we are near to 50k subscribers. Hope we will finish 50k subscribers. As I am getting to know, as my students also saying that everybody is watching your videos only, Akka, but I don't know why you are not getting subscribers. Even I also not getting. So if you think from from your thing I want only one, that is subscribers, and let us finish 50k subscribers in the month of June. Hope we will complete it by the end of the June. Let's see how many members will subscribe and how many members were watching the full video. Please let me know in the comment section, and let me know in the comment section how you felt about the video. All the very best for the examination. See you all in the next video. Bye bye, students.